as long as Ngodonga esawu CEO sesekude ukubona ukuthula ke koShabalala. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on my brother's keeper from the 11th to the 15th of November 2024 on Monday. A hunting man bemoans his betrayal at his brother's hand. A couple grapples with their daughter-in-law's disrespect. A man struggled to balance his loyalties between his family and business on Tuesday. Donga digs his heel, refusing to cover when the family begs him to consider Moketi as a client. Nqubeko grows increasingly irate that Menzi is allowed to visit Fakazile at home, while Sibusiso is enamored by the prospect of fatherhood on Wednesday. The Donga and Ndumiso war is intensifying. Tulani throws Menzi under the bus. Busiso is terrified of being a father on Thursday. Mamkunu is worried when Ndumiso declare war on Donga. Ndumiso feels bad for firing Akasazi. Tulani expresses his fear of Fakazile dating Menzi on Friday. Ndumiso fight to reopen on the rocks. Fakazile is tested when unexpected visitors keep coming in and do as they please in her house. Nqubeko makes a decision that Nomsa disagrees with. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.